All right, we're working on a 2017 Chevy Malibu. We are replacing the climate control on this one. Hopefully that fixes the problem. The light's not turning on to the front. The air's not blowing to the front. That's not working. This is not working. That is. Everything else works. But this, and this one here. So in order to remove it, you have to pull it. I'm gonna turn it off. Just gotta pull this thing. Just got some type of clips that hold it in place. Once that's out, have some room. I think you just gotta pull it out. Yeah, you just gotta pull it out. Remove the connector. Plug in the new one. Okay. We're gonna see if it works. Just gonna turn the button on. There, it's working. Let's see. Everything works. That's working. Yep, just gotta put it back in there. Turn it off. Snap it in place. That's it.